So this is later tonight. I used the right stuff to goop around these and get everything sealed up again. I did find that I was wrong about this connector here. I tried to fit the motor without taking this connector out and just get those pins lined up, and it was extremely difficult. So I decided to just pull this, grommet out like they said, and then mount the motor and then plug it in from this side and then regoop it. So I think that's going to work out fine. Something to keep in mind for a future unit if I work on these again, which I think I probably will. So this has been setting for about 2 hours. I think I might finish assembling this. Everything is feeling very good, very smooth. So yeah. Anyways, this is very exciting for me. I love new tech that I haven't tried before. I know e-bikes have been around for a few years now, but I haven't had a chance to deal with them yet. I rode another one, not this one. I rode another one that I bought for cheap. It had a motor fault, and I pulled it all apart, and I found some disconnected wires in the harness, and I reconnected everything, put it all back together, and it works as new. Another mid-drive unit, not a Bafang, but so not quite as good, but it's still quite nice. I think I'm a mid-drive guy instead of a hub unit guy. Anyways, pretty cool experience. I hope to be riding a lot of this over the summer this year.